Loved it.
It was one of the best classes we've been to.
We learned a lot, especially the cuts for me. It was very fun.
My questions were answered today in this class.
It's honestly one of the best classes, probably the best class I've ever taken.
Layering and softening layers.
I think just all around it was incredible. They really put their heart and soul into what they were doing. We've been doing hair for a long time and we took away a lot of different tips that we can use.
The cuts, texturizing, of course, and the styling.
Learning all the different techniques, the color, the cutting, the styling.
Definitely a lot of the cutting techniques from On.
The way that On waves, doing the waves in different textures and different patterns.
Definitely the undercutting, understanding how it's really supposed to look like, what it really takes to get the undercut.
Probably everything. Can't wait to try it all on my clients. Absolutely.
Everyone,
best class ever.
take it.
Yes. Any hairstylist that wants to invest in them in their own careers.
Yes, and especially the hands-on.
Absolutely everyone that I work with for sure, and every other stylist that I know. I've taken a lot of hands-on classes, and this has been really a hands-on class with personal attention to every person.
To everyone, and I would probably take it again. They literally cleared up so much and changed so much the way I see hair. It's incredible. Like, it's a game changer.